Hello, today I'm going to show the big data platform CA2. Okay, so what happened is that you're supposed to do the Hive, uh, Pig, and Uzi, right? Similar to the CA1. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do over here actually uh, is to create a cluster because it takes some time. Okay, so as you can see, actually I've created a lot of this cluster. Okay, so we have to go to advanced option, and because we need to choose each catalog, and we'll see. By right, we have to do this. Okay, and then we can go next, and then over here, these are extra large, so we will just follow what is advised, and we just take the M4 large. Okay, for all of this. Okay, let me go next. Okay, let me change the name again, and then okay, let me see. Okay, next, and then I've earlier created a key over here. Okay, it's for this CA2. Okay, so this is one of the things that we have to do. So what happens is that you can go to here, go EC2, and then let me create the cluster first because it takes a while. So just create the cluster here. Okay, so for this one you have to go to this network security and key pairs. So it's just create a key pair. So I already done it, so I don't want to do it again. Okay, so this is okay. So this is starting, and it will actually take some time. Okay, so while this is starting, right, let me just show you the next thing that we have to do, which is on the S3. So I have created this folder with the CA2 input, output, and script. So this is where I put the script here, and then I already loaded the script. Okay, and then I have the page script, the Hive script, and then I have the input files. So I separate it into the Hive one and the Pig one. Okay, so let me just show you the this file first while we're waiting for the cluster. Okay, so I have create table script. Okay, so they will create the table for the Hive one and then for the Pig one. Okay, and I also have the Hive script. Wait, so I did Hive script 2, right? So what happened is that previously I have one that also creates the table. Okay, and then I have the Pig script. Okay. Okay, somehow this doesn't work, so I'll be using this, and I'll show the proof that this is working using the log files. So for now, let's wait because it will take some time. So let's go to the cluster here. So once it's ready, right, I'll continue the video. Okay, now the cluster is ready, so we will have this. So what happened is, let me go into the cluster. Okay, and I go to the step, and I add the step for the Hive program. So I will actually add the sorry, I'm supposed to add the script first. So I will do this create table script first, and then this is actually not so important anymore, so I can just select the output is also not important. So because this is the create table one, so this actually the table is already created. I'm just recreating this, but as you can see my file, right, it doesn't really matter because I have this if essays, and if not this kind of coding here. Yeah, so this one will not be a problem. Okay, because I already have this table, so let me do this the next one, which is the actual Hive program. So for this, it's actually important that I select the right folder for the input file, because that's where my data is. Okay, so I've placed them into like, okay, so it's here. The output is also important for this. Okay, and I will run this. Okay, anyway, this is completed. Okay, I'll add one more step, which is for the pick program. And the next one, which is the files for the pick program. Okay, I have these two files, the maximum and minimum temperature file. Okay, the output itself over at my script is not important because I can't get it to work to write into this folder. Yes, it showed me some error about validation when the folder is already there. It doesn't make sense at all. So this is what I'm going to show you. I'm going to use the log file to show that my program runs successfully. Okay, and over here is simpler because I can actually show you the output in the S3 side. So it's kind of like if over here I go to S3, right? Okay, so over at the output side, once it's done, I will show you the Hive one. Okay, the pick one I will show you the log file to show that it's actually written into HDFS. Okay, let's let it run for a while, and I will revisit this soon. Okay, I've just refreshed this, and both the Hive program and pick program is done. So let's take a look at the Hive one. We actually have this file generated. Okay. Okay, actually I should save it as some CSV. Okay, so you can see over here we have the file here. Okay, and then for the pick one, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to view the logs here. Okay, so what happens is that we are able to see that it runs okay, and then successfully store it. Okay, so this is what I've done for the CA2. I didn't manage to get the Uzi running. Yeah. So somehow there's too many manual steps and I just can't get it to work. Like missing libraries and stuff like that. Yeah. So this is for CA2.